Hi, good evening, guys. Who were joined? You can start posting like where you are joining from and what's your profession, so that we'll introduce ourselves. We have few people joined as of now. We'll wait for others to join, then we'll start the session. Hi everyone. You can post like where you are joining from, which location, then your profession, so that we'll get the intro of your profile. Hi Mohammed, good evening. Let me know from where you are joining from and what's your profession. I can see that you mentioned Doctor Mohammed. That's good to see. You can post where you are joining from. Yeah, hi Shiaram Sharma. Good evening. Where you are joining from, you can post in the chat box. Yeah, and what's your profession? What's your background? Yeah, hi. Good evening, Akansha. Hope you are doing well. You can post which location you are joining from and your profession. Hi, good evening, Nitin. Thanks for joining. If you are posting where you are joining from, it will be great. We can introduce ourselves basically. Great, Dr. Mohammed, that you are a college teacher. That's great to hear. Where are you from, Mohammed, basically? Hi, Rajesh and Vivek. We'll wait for others to join. Sharp 5 p.m. We'll be starting the session. Meanwhile, you can give an intro about yourself. Hi, Nitin. It's good to see that you are a corporate career. You are having corporate career from Pune. How many of you already aware of this business? Like how many of you attending this session for first time or second time? You can post that too. We are waiting to see how many of you are attending for second time or third time. Hi Vivek. Hi Rajesh. Hi Raghumshi. Good evening. You are an IIT graduate working in a senior position in BFC. That's great. Rajesh is from Nashik and he's into real estate business, own a school. That's good to listen. Meanwhile, we wait for others. We have 4 minutes. We'll wait for others, then we'll start the session. Hi Akansha, like you need to unmute. You can see there. Then you will get the voice. Hi Akansha, I hope my voice is clear now. Hi Arun, good evening. Great that you are coming from Pondicherry. Okay. What's your profession, Arun? Like you can post that too. We'll wait for some more time. Other people are also joining now. Meanwhile, we'll start in few minutes. Hi Rajesh, like only our voice will be audible to you. No need to worry about the video. If you are able to listen to our voice, that's good. In this session, like if you're having any doubts, you can post in the Q&A session after we start. You can post there. Our team will be answering that on real-time basis. Okay, Arun C is posting. He is having a startup related to US healthcare, managing 11 people, trying a new venture. That's good, Arun. Like we're doing a business already, which will align to this for sure. At the end of the session, you will have a great experience. Great, Rajesh, that you are telling that my voice is loud and clear. Okay, we have Rajesh Rathor joining here. Good evening, Rajesh Rathor. We'll wait for one more minute, then we'll start the session. Hi, Ajay. Thanks for joining. Others who are joined, you can post in the chat box where you are joining from and your profession. We'll start by 5 p.m. sharp. Good evening, Abdul. Okay, it's 5 p.m. We'll start as discussed. Okay, good evening, Jeet. Okay, good to see Vivek is having 7 years of experience. We are starting the session now. So now, we are going to discuss about this business program, right, which is called CCCIS, Certified Career Counselor for International Studies, which we are providing, which is recognized by international bodies like APCDA, IAAP, ACCPH UK. You'll be getting a proper recognized business setup from our end. Then this session, me and my colleague Ranganathan will be taking. The business part will be explained by me and technical aspects will be covered by Ranganathan. So basically, this is about how you can start your own admission consulting business in India, offline, online, as well as for offline for study abroad. Clear? Any doubts you are having throughout this journey, you can post in the chat box. Our team will be replying. Then, before we go about what is Edu Milestones, we have 15 years experience in this field, particularly. We got so many awards. We have ties with 1,500 abroad universities, 1,700 plus Indian universities, 5,000 plus channel partners across globe in 45 plus countries, basically. So, we spent enough years in this particular business. Then, giving an introduction about me, my name is Venkateshwaran. I'm a program manager here in Edu Milestones, handling already 200 plus channel partners. Then talking about the awards, right? We recently got Global Education Award for Best Career Counseling Platform from Global Education Awards 2025 recently, this particular month. Then our team got Entrepreneur India Award at Edu Milestones for Best Career Platform from 2023. We are getting this. Then our co-founder Ankit Agarwal, he's featured in Outlook, Business Standard, and ANA, top transformational leaders to watch. Okay. Then we were awarded by Asian Education Awards we got for career counseling technology. So we got Educational Excellence Award for 2025 by Economic Times and UI. This is also this particular year. We are mentioning few, but lot others also there which we can't add in this complete presentation. Then, okay, we are discussing about the Certified Career Counselor for International Studies, right? What is this basically? So this is whoever is planning to start a business on their own brand name or under their brand. In terms of this contains Indian admissions, online, offline, then abroad admissions. Okay, you'll be getting a complete setup. Before I move further, I want you people to post in the chat box what is needed for starting a business. Anything it might be, whatever you feel which is most important to start a business, you can post in the chat box. I'm waiting for interesting answers, then I'll move further. Again, if someone is not able to listen to my voice, you need to unmute. That will be in the bottom corner. You can unmute and post your answers. What is much needed to start a business? What support you need? You can post that. Okay, Rajesh is posting expertise. Aru is posting need. Arun is posting patience, name, location. Okay, I'm getting interesting answers. Others, I'm waiting for others also. I'm waiting for interesting more. Vivek, we need knowledge, skill set, and funds. That's great. Okay, capital. Okay, Jabir is posting capital, skill. I think you people are missing out on few major aspects also. I'm waiting for those. Okay, marketing. Sridhar, you got it right. Marketing is a great answer. Idea and implementation, proper platform. Sheikh Abdul, good to see that you covered the technical aspect, which is much needed in 2025 and 2026. Okay, Irfan Dakwe posted business leads. Great. Ajay posted technology. Then communication skills, clients leads, same. Okay, money. Okay, Jagit, money like will not charge you more. Then Neelu services, basically support system. Okay, I think we got enough answers. I'll move on to next thing. What we are giving. Maximum people covered all the aspects. I'll tell we will provide 360-degree support to start any business. If you are a person who is coming to this as a fresher, let's keep it as you are a newbie, you don't know anything. We will give you complete training, end to one. What and all covered here, what you will be doing in this business will be covered in training part. Then you need a recognition, right? Someone is coming and asking you, okay, you have any validation? Then we are providing you a proper certification on your name or in your brand name. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can take it after completing the examination. Training, then you will have an exam, then you will have a certification. Then comes to software. If you ask me in 2025, which is more important for any business is software. We will provide you complete software setup, starting from web page, CRM tools, application tracking to track your payouts, university list. Everything will be integrated under the software, which we will be providing. Then technical support. Okay, when we are playing majorly with software, you need a technical support, right? Our team, there will be a dedicated person whom you can connect whenever you are having technical doubts. Okay, you got trained, got the certification, got your software. Okay, support is there. Now guidance. I can see maximum people posted leads, then clients, right? How you will generate it. That's why we have our marketing guidance. Our founder will be taking care of this marketing training where you will come to know which audience to target, how you can generate your leads from 0 to 10, 10 to 50 from scratch. Then comes the admission support. We have our dedicated team who will take care of the complete admission support. Then, okay, you got the training, certification, software support, marketing guidance. Okay, you started the business. You might have stuck somewhere. Then we have our handholdings where we will make you experience complete end-to-end process. Then coming to education loan assistance. Okay, you got a student, you process the application, but we need education loan, right? Maximum people need assistance. We have our in-house support where we will be taking care of the complete education loan assistance. Then coming to IELTS training. We have our in-house IELTS training where you can guide the students for that and you will be getting some payouts for that too. Okay, I hope everyone got a clear idea about this 360-degree support. If you're having any doubts, you can post it in the chat box. Q&A session, basically. Q&A. And we'll be taking care of the visa support too, which we'll be discussing in upcoming presentation. Okay. Yeah. So we are moving further. Next. Okay. You got training, you got the certification, you got your marketing training, everything is done. How you learn money? That's where this initial counseling is coming to the picture. Student came to you, you need to counsel them, right? So you can charge for that counseling also based on his academics, which university is good for him, where he's having highest chance of getting admissions. You can give a small milestone report. This is kind of a counseling. You can charge money for that. Then for online IELTS, if you are guiding any student in-house training, you will be getting payouts for that too. And coming to markups, I'll discuss in upcoming thing. Regarding payouts, when you are guiding any student for admission through EduMilestones, university will be giving you payouts, which you will be getting directly from our side. Then comes the channeling. So let's keep it as you are operating from one city called Delhi. So even you can keep your people or employees in Noida or Gurgaon, even you can generate leads from there and you can even process the applications. That's called channeling. So you have 5 different ways to generate revenue. I hope this is clear. If you're having any doubts, you can post in the Q&A session. Then coming to EduMilestone services to our students, basically what you can tell, what we are providing. Registration, application processing, verification of documents. We provide SOP assistance, which is statement of purpose, which universities will be asking. Then admission guidance, even for scholarships, online IELTS coaching, which I told you earlier, same thing. Offer letters, you can provide. Education loan assistance, we can provide. Then complete visa process, we'll take care. Forex exchange, airport pickup when they reach to particular country. Then accommodation, like nearby their universities, we can help them. Then visa interview guidance. Then comes India online and campus admissions, which we'll be discussing now. I hope this is clear. If you're having any doubts, you can post in chat box. Our team will be answering. Okay, we'll move further. Now, we have the 6 categories of universities. I need everyone's attention to this particular slide. So where the category 1 is Ivy League universities. Equivalent universities, like these are like Oxford kind of top universities where they'll be not having any tie-ups with global partners like us. So in those scenario, we are charging 35,000 for the first application and 5,000 for every additional application. But in the market, people are charging more than 1 lakh for this. So we discussed about markups, right? In the previous thing. Markups means you can keep your markup. Let's keep it as 35,000 we are charging. You can charge 50K, 60K, 70K. Compared to the market, you can charge less. Still, you can mark up and you can earn money. Then coming to category 2, tied up and payout universities, there is no application processing fee. You will be getting the payouts 70%. 70-30 is the payout sharing. You will be getting it. Then comes the category 3, which are non-partner universities other than category 1. Any country. We are charging 25,000 plus GST for application processing, up to 5 applications per candidate. So you can mark up to 50 or 60. Market standard is more than 70-80 they are charging. So you can mark up here also. Then comes the category 4. European universities, non-medical with no fees or low fees. Some universities might give scholarships more. In those scenario, you will not get payouts, right? Here, you can earn from the application processing fee. So we are charging 35,000 up to 5 applications per candidate. You can mark up this and you can charge your own fees. Then comes category 5, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong and Taiwan. We are charging 60,000 for up to 3 universities as application fee. You can mark up here also. So all this category, except this category 2, you can mark up your own fees for application processing, but we are charging this particular thing, this money only. You can mark up and you can earn. Correct? I hope this is clear to everyone. I'll keep this particular slide for a few minutes so that if you're having any questions, you can post on the Q&A chat box. Okay, we'll move further now. Coming to IELTS program, as I told you earlier, we have our in-house IELTS training. When you are guiding some students here, you will be getting the partners payout from our side. Then comes to India admissions, correct? In India admissions, we have 2 options basically. Online admissions and campus admissions. Online, we have 150 plus universities tied up. For campus, we have 1,200 plus universities tied up to process the applications. Okay. Now, why online admissions? Now, right, people are working, like they need to earn same way, they need to do some degree also. So you can enroll any point of, in whole year, you can enroll any time. That is called rolling intake. You have this advantage in online admissions in India. High-end quick payouts on all academic years. So if the degree is for 2 years or 3 years, you'll be getting the payout for all 3 years. And compared to offline, India online admissions are affordable. Then every year there is an increase in this admissions, more than 40 to 50% increases there every year for online India education. Then we have lead lock system through partners web page. So you started application through us. Okay. Then the student might go directly to the universities, right? To stop this, we have a lead lock mechanism. Even though, okay, after starting the application with you, if the student is going there directly, you will get the payouts, which is called lead lock. And direct top university connections. So we have tie-ups with direct top universities where once you start the application, it will be directly submitted to the universities. Then you can process this for India and international students also. From other countries, students coming to India, you can process this online admissions. Then these are recognized by UGC, AICTE plus equivalent to regular degree also. Then like I'm displaying some of the examples of universities. Jain we have DY Portal, we have Saptagiri NPS University, Revo University, BMS, and 1,000 plus universities are there. I'm just displaying few of the university names here. Then these are some of the recent payouts we gave to our channel partners for India and abroad admissions. You can see like people are earning more than 1.5 lakhs, even 4 lakhs based on the country they are processing. We have 1.3 lakhs people are making 1.5, 1.9. You can see, right? So you have a huge demand also for this particular Indian study abroad admissions. You can make good money out of this. Then, okay, you started the business, you are running it successfully. You need marketing materials, right? So we have our team who will be sharing this marketing materials and flyers on regular basis, where you can add your own logo and you can post it in the social media. These are some recent marketing flyers we created and given to our existing channel partners. You can see here. All the university updates, when the openings are happening, everything you'll get on real-time basis. And some people got the certifications recently, our channel partners. I'm displaying it here. You can see, so 2025 recent certifications, October, November, people got. And your certification will be looking like this. You'll be getting a proper brand name or your name you can use after completing the examination to get the certification. Then, okay, we discussed about a lot of things now, right? To simplify this, initially, you are counseling student initial screening and profiling with active support from Edu Milestones. You are going to counsel them and choosing the university, collecting documents for the process, forwarding it to Edu Milestones, application like visa process, we will take care, then you will receive the payout. So here, any business you take, the major thing is process. And our team is taking care of this complete visa processing, accommodation till they go there, till they settle into any PG or any accommodation nearby the university, we are taking care. So you are receiving the payout. So your time will be saved and you can focus more on generating more leads and generating more revenue. That's what we are taking care. This is the simple steps. I hope everyone got, right? If you're having any doubts, you can post in the chat box. Our team will be replying in. Then we have our colleague Ranganathan here. He'll be taking care of the complete technical aspects. Further, if you have any doubts, you can post. We'll be answering your queries.
Very good evening, everyone. Thank you, Venkatesh, for the warm welcome. I believe I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone. It would be really great if anyone put it in the comment box if you can able to hear me clearly. My voice is audible. I hope my screen is also visible to everyone, right? Can anyone confirm the same in the chat box? Great. Thank you. Thank you so much for your responses. I can see a lot of people are confused. This is a domestic admission or this is international admission. This is an international admission business, which means you can provide admission to any student who's looking forward for the application or admission in any college around the globe. Let it be domestic, let it be outside India, let it be any country around the globe. I hope this is clear to everyone. So you are not going to be an agent here, you are a consultant, study abroad consultant, where you are going to help the student find the right suitable college. Yes. Now, Venkatesh has covered multiple things about how you are going to start the business and how you are going to utilize this business, scale up the business, or getting revenue from this domain. Let me explain you step by step. Let me break it down for you step by step. We offer the technical part, which is separated into two segments, one for you, one for the students. Because when you get the inquiry, then only we can convert the inquiry and send that student to a particular destination and get the revenue. Now, if you look at the part, whenever if any student is looking forward to for a service or something, first thing they will go is they will go to Google. If you see, they will go to Google and they will search who is the best career counselor near me. So if you do a organic Google search, by default, our Edu Milestone will come to the first part. I hope you all can able to see. I'm clicking this Edu Milestone page, and it is showing all the counselors who are available near me. I can select it location wise, or I can shortlist to nearest location also, city wise, area wise. You can select and you can also search. So here, if all of you join Edu Milestone, collaborate with us, okay? And if you complete the training and certification, if you get the landing page and everything, you will also be listed here, where you can able to see all the people who have started and everything. Currently, we have 171 counselors near in particularly Bangalore location, and you can see very clearly most of them got their counseling done today. I hope you all can able to see. Most of them done their counseling today, 1 day ago, 3 days ago. Means currently the business is happening. Now, if a student want to connect with you, they will click the interest for callback option, or they will directly click to text you, or they can schedule an appointment with you, or they will be redirected to your landing page, which we will develop on your name and we will share it with you. So here I believe you all can able to see in the URL very clearly. It is mentioned as ranganathandemo.edumilestone.com. I hope this is visible to everyone, the URL part. Now, instead of Ranganathan Demo, your company name or your brand name or your name will be listed here. Instead of that big your logo icon, it will be replaced with your brand logo or your company logo. And you can able to see all the services which are available for you to offer to your candidates. And I believe you can able to see the get started button, where student will apply on fill their details and everything, and you can able to see what are the service you are offering to the student: university shortlisting, application submission to the colleges, language preparation, visa support, SOP making, dedicated counselor. This everything is done by Edu Milestone. So unlike other companies, we are not going to tell you that where you can do or where you can get all these services. Our team will do all the backend process for you to run the business. I hope this is also clear to everyone. Now, this is where students will approach you, where students will submit their application. What they will do, they will click let's get started button. They will click what intake they are planning. They will fill the application. Once student fill the application here, this is going to be your dashboard. Okay. When you log into your dashboard, you can able to see all the options. This is the dashboard where you will see all your inquiries and everything. If you come to your dashboard page, you can able to see all the marketing materials are popping up, which you can download and share it with others by adding your contact details and company details. I believe my screen is visible. The dashboard screen is visible to everyone. It took some time to load. So there, if you see, you can track very easily. For example, let me select this particular candidate. There you can see what are the details students has already filled. They are looking for September 26 intake, their score, what subject they opted in 12th class, board, what they studied, everything you can able to see. Now, if you click next, you can able to see all the colleges available and what is the success rate for the particular student to get a seat in that particular college. You see, University of, so in this particular university in UK, if you see the college fees, how much they are charging, what is the duration, what is the course type. This is a PG pathway course. So they will be doing 1 year in India and another 9 months in that particular university, UK. And what is the IELTS score required, what is the rank of that university, all this detail you can see. Here you are seeing this college predictor, right? This college predictor will show what is the probability of that particular student get successful seat in that particular college. Or else, if you want, you can generate a report also. I believe you can able to see the report in between home and logout icon. If you click, you can see a complete summary about the student profile weightage and overall details and what are the universities and everything. Here you can add the university details also for that particular student. Now, some colleges will accept the application without IELTS also. You may have a question why we have this college predictor. A lot of you might have this questions called what if student doesn't get the admission, or what if after completing the application if student doesn't end up getting any college admissions from our side. Okay, to avoid that scenarios, while when you receive the student file, you can able to see very clearly whether we can do this process or not, or whether we can complete this successful file or not. I believe everyone can able to see me, and my voice is also audible. I can see a lot of people are not able to see me, or a lot of people are not able to hear my voice. Can anyone confirm in the chat whether you can able to see me clearly and hear my voice? Thank you for confirming, Suresh. People who are not able to hear me or not able to see me, please check your internet connection. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Now, continuing, this is for the international colleges. Okay, here you will get more options where you can filter based on top 100 colleges in that particular country. You can categorize by based on the fees they are collecting also. If I see, you can able to see all the colleges with top ranks only. That option is also available. Now coming to Indian offline campus admission. Okay, you can see all the types of courses available, and here you can able to select a particular course. For example, I'm choosing psychology and clicking search. Here you can able to see all the colleges which are accepting psychology admission at this moment for campus admission, Indian college campus admission. You can college fees, which is a private college or government college, what is the basic eligibility criteria, what is the duration of the program, and you can see the university website, eligibility and everything from here itself, and you can able to see what are the courses offered in this particular area from that particular college. Like this, you can able to see transparently all the colleges which we can able to do admission by EduMilestone team. So these are Indian campus admissions. On top of that, if any student want to take admission in online universities, means same university which they are conducting the entire program in online and they are providing. For example, I'm clicking online MBA and I'm clicking search. Yes, you can see MIT University, Jain University, DY Patel University, everything. What is the course fee? Who are the faculties? If students to join the program, where they will get placements. You can see a sample degree, what student will get after completing this online degree. And you can see the exam pattern and everything very clearly and very transparently. And student can click apply directly from here as well. If they apply, it will be directly sent to the university, and lead lock mechanism will ensure that if this is a new inquiry, under percentage you will get the commission payout as well. So here we have covered international colleges and admission process, Indian offline campus and admission process, and Indian online universities and admission process. Like this, you can provide the admissions for all the students across the globe. Now, coming back to, I believe everyone would have understood what student will able to see from their point of view. Now, from here, you can also track all the applications and everything. Coming back to your dashboard, you can see how many inquiries you got, how many profiles you have shortlisted, how many colleges you have already recommended, how many applications you have managed, how many pending inquiries you have not responded yet, and how many Indian admissions you have already completed for this particular intake. And here you can able to track, update, and everything very transparently. For all our partners, they will get WhatsApp updates as well in real time. Once their application submitted, once they shortlisted the college, everything you will be getting direct updates. Now everyone will have the questions where we can able to see the payout, how much commission we are getting from a particular college or university. How many of you want to know, like check which college gives you how much percentage of commission? Can you reply, put it in the chat box? Here, if you click the payout icons, there you can able to see which college or which university pays which how much percentage. You can see Flinders University pays 6% percentage for UG and PG payout, and you can see other universities how much they are paying very clearly and very transparently. So here, whatever you are seeing here, this is going to be your payout percentage, which will be updating every intake as well. Now you can able to see here all the study codes, colleges, course, payouts, everything. You can able to see all the payouts and everything. Now, if you come to your dashboard, you can add a user. By clicking on add a user, you can enter their credentials and you can create sub-CRM where people can access your files and they can guide if you are hiring any employee or if you are giving any sourcing any files from another vendor or another agent. You can use this feature to get more inquiries and more applications and more files. So all the applications, all the backend process will be end-to-end managed and completed by Edu Milestone team. All you have to do is do the market, get the inquiries. Once you get the inquiry, you have to discuss with the student, find out where they want to go, when they want to go, and how to do that. The training also we will provide you. I believe we have covered how students will get in touch with you and what student will get. How student will sign up as a user to your particular dashboard, and what you will be getting, and how you will be tracking each and every student application for international colleges, Indian online universities, and Indian offline campus admissions. So this page is dedicated for the students, your users, and this is for yourself to handle and manage the business. And student can very easily track everything. Here, if you see, some colleges will give IELTS waiver also. To understand the student fluency, you can use this tool, English assessment tool, to ensure that student have the communication skill set. Okay. Here you can see the document checklist where student can upload for both the documents and the visa documents, and our team will re-verify the same and they will approve. And we do offer SOP maker, AI enabled SOP maker. Just a moment. Here you will have complete details, complete control over the student. If you all can able to see, I am unblocking the SOP maker for this particular candidate. Now, if you see, I'm just refreshing. SOP maker is unlocked. So student has to fill the basic details, and it will ask a lot of questions regarding the student and college where they are applying. It will create a dedicated SOP without any duplication or AI related stuff. It will show the SOP score as well for the student to understand the weightage of that SOP. It will comes with basic spelling and grammar mistakes to check and avoid. And it's a AI dedicatedly designed to create only SOP. It will not do anything else like ChatGPT. It will create only SOP. Now, if you see, you can able to very easily track the student application. If they have applied any colleges or universities, you can track the application very easily from here as well. And you can, once everything is done regarding the visa process also, you can track it from here as well. I hope everything is clear for like how students will find you, how students will sign up as a user, how you will track the students and provide support to everyone. On top of that, what student can able to access everything, how you can control all the students through actions button, and the student basic documentation check, SOP making, colleges and university list, everything. So is users can let me know, is there anything else you might need to do the business other than what we are offering? If you have any such thing, you can put it in the chat box. I will address that. I believe I'm audible to everyone. Can anyone confirm? Am I audible? Yes. So let me clarify the payouts once again. A lot of people are asking about the payout details. Each and every admission you are doing for domestic campus admission, you will be getting the payout within a month of time, which is approximately 40 to 80,000 rupees. Changes case to case and college to college as well. So I'm giving you the average value. Yes, Arun, we have fixed the audio issue. Now I believe you can able to hear. And for online admission, online going to be a throughout year business. So you can onboard a student now also. You can onboard the student next month also for the online admissions. You will get the admission payout in the next month itself. Within 30 days, you will receive the payouts. Moving forward, for study abroad admissions, each and every application you can able to make approximately 2 lakh rupees. When I say approximately 2 lakh rupees, one student might get only 1 lakh commission also. One student might get you 4 lakh, 5 lakh commission also. It depends on the university and depends on the intake and country as well. So if you're sending 10 student in a year, 10 student in a intake, Average, you will be making 20 to 25 lakh rupees through college payouts alone. For 10 students, the average I'm telling you. I hope this is clear. You can connect with your dedicated counselor for each and every college, how much commission they are providing. Now going to the pricing part, how much we are charging as a one-time registration fee for this lifetime support, where our team handle end-to-end back-end operation and marketing support is also provided for you to generate the inquiries to do the business. So we are charging just 1 lakh rupees plus GST as a one-time payment for co-branded platform. And this includes training, 1 week of training, 5 days training, and a certification to build your credibility, the software, tool, technology, and a dedicated support team who will guide you, who will give you hand-holding support also, initially to run your business, and marketing guidance to generate the inquiries, and visa, education loan assistance, everything is handled by our team. So this is a one-time investment. There will be no renewals or no recurring charges as well. I hope the investment part is very clear to everyone. Now, regarding this particular webinar, we do have a dedicated batch because we are celebrating our 15th year anniversary. For the first 15 individuals from this particular batch, they can able to onboard with Edumilestone for a discounted price. This is eligible only for this particular batch starting from Monday, 22nd December. Now we will address all your questions. Okay, we are here to answer your questions. You can ask your questions one by one. I will try to address maximum of your questions in this call. If I miss out your question or if I'm not able to answer your questions, feel free to connect with your consultant, business consultant. If you don't know who is your business consultant, you can connect, text the same WhatsApp number where you got the webinar link to join this session. Your business consultant will get in touch with you. Now, Gunashekhar is asking, do you connect with medical universities abroad also? Yes, Gunashekhar, we do medical admissions for domestic as well as international also. Madhuri, regarding the discount, it's available only for the first 15 individuals. You can connect with your business consultant to get that discount. Raghu Vamsi asked a good question. What if someone fails the exam to get the certificate? They can take the exam and reappear for the exam and get the certificate. Yes, Abdul Jabbar, it's just 1 lakh plus GST for lifetime collaboration. Again, Raghu Vamsi mentioned that whether it is a seasonal or across the year business. Raghu Vamsi, each and every model we proposed as a season. For example, domestic admissions as the intakes, September and Jan intakes, and domestic admissions will be in India, will be in the March, and online will be throughout the year. So you will get business throughout the year, Raghu Vamsi. Devendra asked, do we help students for English speaking exams? Yes, Devendra, we do provide in-house IELTS training where student can take the training and get the knowledge. Sumaya asked a good questions. One student come to the council and comes to council to admission, how much time it will take for the university to release the payout? Let's say it depends on the country and university and course they are taking. Some university will release the payout immediately as soon as student make the university fee. Some university will release the payout after student completed a certain attendance percentage in that particular university classes. So it will be somewhere between 3 months. Approximate time would be 3 months for you to receive the payout. If anyone else has any other questions, feel free to put it in the chat box. I will answer your questions. We are a edtech company. We enable students in education part only. We don't offer any placements. We don't promise any placements also, Sunil. Gunashekar asked that application fee you will collect from the students for the admission. See, we have different categories. Okay, if it's a tie-up university, we don't collect any fees from the student. Okay, if it's a non-tie-up university, if students are looking for public universities where there is no fees or less fees, then only student has to bear the application charges, which you have seen in the category part. Sweta, this is a study abroad session. You can connect with your counselor or you can connect with your business consultant for counseling package. Ranjit asked a great question. Ranjit, to do this business, you like whatever the office setup you are having, that is more than sufficient. If you don't have the office setup also, you can do it from co-working space or from your home itself. As a fact, with EduMilestone, 85% of the partners are doing this remotely only. So office setup is not mandatory for you to do this business, at least to begin with. Arun asked, please explain location exclusivity or how many partners will EduMilestone allow for one particular location. Arun, I request you to do a little bit research about how many students are going to overseas every year and how many career counselors are required in India to do this business. Ranjit, you will be provided with a dedicated training with our CEO and Director Vipin Prasad, who will train you how to generate your enquiries, how to generate the leads. That is provided, that support is included in the package. Vivek, it's completely up to you how you are going to counsel the student through call or office meet, whatever the student feel comfortable, that would be preferred method, Vivek. Rajesh asked when would our dashboard be created? Rajesh, as soon as you complete the onboarding form, once you make the payment, you will receive an onboarding form. As soon as you complete the onboarding form, you will receive your dashboard delivered within 3 to 5 working days. Nitin asked the question, will you provide any leads or we have to generate our self leads? Great question, Nitin. Nitin, we will also provide you enquiries. To get more enquiries, we will train you also to generate your enquiries. Renuka asked, will you support students from abroad for Indian admission? Yes, Renuka, if student is eligible, 100% we can do the admission as we do domestic admissions, international admission and online, everything. Sheikh Abdul asked the payout from the universities through Edumilstone or directly to partners. Sheikh, university will release the payment to Edumilstone and Edumilstone will process the payout to you, which you can transparently track in the dashboard. You can see it in the invoice, how much is the your commission part and how much is the Edumilstone commission part. We will be working based on 70-30 profit sharing. So your commission will be 70%, Edumilstone commission will be 30%. Rajesh mentioned I have already paid the entire fees for 4 subjects. I'm sorry, Rajesh, I couldn't able to understand. If you have already made the payment, you can connect with your business consultant who onboarded you. I believe you would have already got the platform technology part and everything. If not, you can connect with our customer support team. They will guide you to recover the platform and everything. Raghuvanshi asked, after H-1B visa orders by USA, did admissions drop? Raghuvanshi, as to be transparent with you, people who are going to overseas for education to study, they are still going to USA. We are processing. Madhuri asked, how many consultants do you have in Hyderabad? You can visit our website, Edomilstone website, or you can Google best career counselor near me. You can able to see it very clearly from your particular location. You can select it specific location wise. Since I'm not from Hyderabad, even if I do, I may not able to show you location wise category. Or else you can connect with your business consultant. They will guide you very precisely how to check nearest counselor to you. Ravinder is asking code to unlock the report. Ravinder, in study abroad business, especially CCCIS program, there will be no codes required to unlock any reports. Asif Hussain, really great question. What if any student asks for refund from the Indian university? How will be the payouts in that case? Let's say, for example, if a student is making a payment to the university, okay, they have to deal with the university. I hope you understand. One student start studying in the university, then only we will get the payouts. Asif. Rajesh, I believe you already aware about Edumilstone and everything. I suggest you connect with your business consultant to get even better clarity. Gunashekar asked a question, is that registration fee is enough or do we need to pay anything yearly for website manager? No, Gunashekar, the fee which you are paying, it will be more than sufficient. There will be no recurring charges. Renuka is requesting that details you are providing will be available publicly. If anyone is posting their personal numbers or contact details in the chat, it will be deleted. If you are repeating it again, you will be removed from the community. Arun asking, what are the peak admission seasons? Arun, the students who are going to overseas are not taking the decision in a day or two. Okay, they will prepare for this. So the peak admissions will be majorly focusing on the September intake and January intake of the. But we are giving you option where you can do business throughout the year, entire year, with the different opportunities for you. I hope I addressed most of your concerns and most of your queries as much as possible from my side. If anyone has any questions or any doubts, feel free to connect with your business consultant. You can reply to the same WhatsApp number where you got the link to join this demo. Wish you all, everyone, happy Christmas and happy New Year as well. You can connect with your business consultant for the discount and everything. Madhuri, yes, the support is going to be for lifetime. Thank you, everyone. Wish you all success.